Hi guys, it's George from Cyprus Insight, and we are back at the Sunrise Jade here in Protaras. It's a beautiful hotel, guys. You have to look out for the video. We have done a video in this place, so it's not going to be the full video of the whole complex. We have been invited by a couple of our viewers to have a look around one of the rooms. Oh, we are lucky. But before we do go around the rooms, guys, the viewer has pointed out the swim up pool bar, which is down there, and a beautiful slope straight into the pool. Oh, I do like a cool slope straight into the pool, and then a slow beer at the pool bar. By the way, guys, these are the sea view rooms. At the back are inland view of rooms, and we've got swim up pool rooms as well down here on the ground floor. They're all identical, by the way. All the rooms are identical apart from the swimming pool. Right, let's go in the room, shall we? Oh, lots and lots of wardrobe space here on the right. We've got chest of drawers. Another little space there, you can put all your stuff. Oh, there's loads of storage, guys. There's the dressing table. Wow, look at the size of that bed. It's enormous. Massive, sort of giant bed. Conveniently located, comfortable chairs. And this is what I like, guys, about any hotel room. If it's got conveniently located, comfortable chairs, you can lounge and watch TV. You don't have to watch TV from the bed. I do like that. That's my favourite feature. And we've even got a sideboard. Look at this beautiful sideboard. Coffee making machine, a proper coffee making machine, guys. And inside the sideboard is your safe. Fridge is on the other side, and every evening the maid would knock on your door and bring you some chocolates, but it looks like they're gone. Oh well, never mind. And she'll ask you if you want more water, whatever you like, guys, the maid will bring for you. How about that? And let's go and have a look at the spectacular views. Oh, massive balcony. There we are, glass fronted balcony. There's even space for hanging your swimwear to dry. Conveniently located, comfortable chairs. And look at the view, guys. Isn't that amazing? Wow. Now we can see the swim up pool rooms down there, along there, you see. Then we've got a lawn, another terrace with a lawn, hickory-pickory pool. There's the slope that I mentioned, and the swim up pool bar. There's the restaurant. Now do look out for the video, guys. We have featured this hotel in the video, and also that separate swimming pool, and it's got glass front, and then another lawn right on the corner. Look at the gardens round here. We are on the edge here, guys, so it's very, very quiet. It's so popular, guys, even the boats come here to swim. Can you see the tour boats? They come into this little bay and they swim round because it is a beautiful bay. So amazing views for the evening. So you can have a nice slow beer here, guys, in the evening, and you can have a nice cup of tea or coffee here, guys, in the morning, and look out to that beautiful view. I do like it. Right, let's have a look at the bathroom. Wow, massive bathroom. 2 sinks. There we are. And look at the size of this shower, guys. Enormous. Of course, we've got the rain shower as well right at the top. There we are. Glass fronted shower. So you don't splash the floor out here. That's really clever. You can go right in there, guys, and you're not going to get water everywhere. Oh, I do like the bathroom. Yeah. So there we are. That's the rooms, guys.
Where should we sit?
And we have got allocated sunbeds, by the way, guys. You are allocated your sunbeds, so you don't have to come down in the morning and put your towels on your sunbeds and get them reserved. They are reserved for you. We're on the lovely lawn, guys, and we've got allocated sunbeds here. Oh, I do like these fluffy towels. Look at these. They're nice. Oh, do they belong to you?
They do.
Oh, they do. Are you a viewer?
I am a viewer.
Oh, that's a bit of luck, isn't it? I've just gone up to the sunbeds and I just looking at these amazing towels, and I think they're sunbed towels. Look, they've got a little, what's your name, by the way?
Selena.
Can you show us these sunbed towels? They're clever, aren't they? Look at this. Look, they clip off the cushions. Oh, that's brilliant, isn't it?
Stop
And that,
blowing away.
what a great idea. It's very posh in here, isn't it? And look at the cushions. Are they squodgy?
Yeah.
Oh, they are
Really
squodgy.
comfy.
Are you enjoying yourself here?
I love
Ain't
it
it
here.
lovely? Isn't it beautiful?
Beautiful.
Have you noticed the slope the other viewers showed us down towards the pool?
It is very
It is
helpful.
beautiful. And where's your balcony? Let's have a look.
We are
Where are you?
4th floor,
Full floor. 1, 2, 3, 4.
and see where it's the 2s?
Yes.
Yeah, so 4th floor, and we're on this side.
Oh, there you are. Oh, it's lovely, isn't it? Well, I bet you get a beautiful view up there.
Beautiful view.
Absolutely amazing. Well, it's nice to see you. Enjoy your holiday.
Thanks, George.
Oh, what are these for
So
then?
these are your QR codes. You don't have to move from your bed. You just
Right, you
take
just
a picture of your QR code, order your drinks on the app, and they bring all your food and they bring it to the sunbed.
you just have what you like on the QR code.
On the QR
D-
code.
Don't get up on these beautiful
No, you
sunbeds.
don't have to move.
Oh, that is fabulous. That's my type of place.
It's
Beautiful, beautiful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if there's somewhere you'd like me to go,
Put it in the comments below.